Hi, my name is Barb. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you today a simple Halloween craft that you can do at home with your children. And what I have first of all is this little pumpkin man. And he's very simple to make, and I think your kids would like making him very much. You could also decorate him a little fancier than this. If you wanted, you could put sequins up on the stem or color that in to make it even prettier. So this is one of the things, and I'll show you the parts that you need to make them. You need a pumpkin. You need his 4 strips of green paper for his arms and his legs. And then you would just fold those like this, back and forth, to get the accordion look like he has here. So 4 of these, 1 pumpkin, and a mouth. And you can make it any shape you want. My mouth happens to look like this, but you could make any kind of a mouth you want. And then these were my eyes. I just made my eyes like this, but you could have googly eyes if you like, or any shape eyes that you want. And then here's my nose, and here's the other eye. So you need the 2 eyes, the nose, the mouth, and 4 strips of paper to make his arms and his legs, and a popsicle stick. And then I glued those all on. I glued the legs and the arms and the popsicle stick on the back. And then I glued all the facial expressions on the front. So that's my pumpkin man. Something for you to do with your kids for Halloween, or for just a fall craft. All right, thank you. Happy crafting. Bye.